Hello there. Welcome back to the Free Science Channel Artificial Intelligence Lecture Series. In this video, I'm going to teach part 1 of Adversarial Machine Learning, which is an advanced chapter in Artificial Intelligence Lecture Series. The prerequisites of this course is knowledge of deep learning. For those of you who is not familiar with the concept of deep learning, I would suggest to learn the concept of deep learning first and then back to this video. Well, I'm going to turn off the camera and start teaching. The learning outcomes of this video is you will learn the general concept of adversarial attack, and also you will learn the limitations of artificial intelligence systems in terms of security. You will get familiar with some well-known examples of adversarial attacks, which are performed with some research groups around the world. And also, you will learn generally that the reason that artificial intelligence systems can be deceived. Well, today, the application of machine learning and artificial intelligence system in the real world life is observed extensively. For example, we use artificial intelligence system for customer service automation, which can make these services cheap and user-friendly. We use robots and artificial intelligence systems for healthcare systems and in the field of medicine, for doing sensitive medical operations or detection of the diagnosis from the MRI images or CT scan images. Also, I think you have heard about self-driving cars. These cars, without using a human as a driver, can detect very well the sidewalks, the traffic signs, other cars, and keep distance from them, for example. Another important example could be detection of the malwares using artificial intelligence systems, which extensively is used by antivirus applications, and spam filtering tools, which are extensively used to remove out the spams from the real emails, from the email box, and also speech recognition that lets us to talk with our computers, with our mobile phones. And you know, all of these examples, these technologies that are mentioned here, they use the algorithm, the deep learning algorithms and artificial intelligence systems. And artificial intelligence systems do their job very well and with very high accuracy and very fast. Although the artificial intelligence systems are incredibly powerful, but they have limitations. What is the limitation? One important question is, in terms of security, are artificial intelligence systems secure enough or not? To make the long story short, the answer is no. To support this idea, let's go through some examples. Imagine we have artificial intelligence system which is trained very well to classify the images. And also we have an image of the panda, and this image is output of the real-world camera. We introduce this panda to the artificial intelligence system and ask it to classify it for us. And this image is classified as a panda. Well, let's, with the same artificial intelligence system, which is trained very well, let's do some changes in our input data. We have the output of the real-world camera here, panda, and we add some changes to this image. By changes, I mean changing some pixel values of the image. Technically, this is called adding noise or adding perturbation to the input data. And we'll get this image after adding perturbation. And we feed this panda image to the artificial intelligence system and ask it to classify it for us. What do you think? How this panda will be classified? This panda is classified as a given. You see, if you ask a person how it is possible, what humans see here is a panda, how it is possible to be classified as a given. And we know that artificial intelligence systems do their job very well. Let's go through another example. Here, we have a case study which is performed with a group of researchers in UC Berkeley. At the right side, I will play the film, and there you will see that at the right side, we have a clean stop sign, and at the left side, we have a stop sign, which is hand engineered, and some letters are added to the stop sign. And we have a self-driving car which moves forward and detect, have two different detections from two different stop signs. Let's play the video and watch it by together. Here you see that we have a stop sign here, and we have a speed limit of 45 kilometers. And at the left side, the difference just was at the left side, we had not a clean stop sign. And in this example, this is a research study which is performed by a group of researchers in Google. We have an image of the banana. This image is introduced into the artificial intelligence system, and by high confidence, it is classified as a banana. And let's play the video and watch it together. You see that it is classified as a banana. A picture of toaster is added, but still with a high confidence, it is classified as a banana. And this picture is, this stick, this hand engineered stick is put next to the banana, and it is classified as a toaster. But how could it be? It's you see that in these videos, in these examples, you saw that unfortunately the AI systems can be deceived simply. And here, for example, at the first example, we had a panda, and we added a noise to the input image, and it is misclassified as a given. And also in the another example, you remember we had a clean stop sign and we had a modified stop sign, and this was classified as a speed limit of 45 kilometers per hour, and this one is detected as a stop sign, as a usual stop sign. And the question here is why imperceptible changes to an image can fool the AI system. The reason is the computers see pictures differently than humans do. And this gives an advantage and disadvantage to the AI systems. For example, we know that artificial intelligence systems are very good in reading the barcodes and in reading the QR codes. They do their job very well and very fast. But the way that deep learning systems work also open up this particular form of attack, which no human would be fooled by. You remember we had two panda pictures. What humans see was panda, but one of them was classified as a given by artificial intelligence system. And the attack on an AI system is an attempt to make it do something other than what it was intended to do, such as trying to fool it into outputting incorrect classification. And as I mentioned, the reason was the way that artificial intelligence see the pictures. And if you want to play around a bit and get familiar with this misclassification of artificial intelligence system, you can Google advis.js, and there you have a possibility to change the epsilon value here and see how the panda, the real world camera picture panda at the left, will be misclassified at the right. And here you have a confidence of your output, confidence of your classification, and you see that the more you add epsilon, the more noise you add to the picture, this value decreases, and the misclassified. The panda image is misclassified. Okay. Now, there is a question. Is there any solution for, we said that artificial intelligence system see the pictures very differently by what humans do. So this added an advantage and disadvantage to artificial intelligence system. About the disadvantages, is there any solution for to protect artificial intelligence system against the adversarial attacks? The answer is yes. If you would like to learn more about these methods, I would encourage you to watch the next video, which I'm going to teach the mathematics behind the adversarial attacks